Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use CLA and L-carnitine. We'll explore what these powerful supplements are, their unique benefits, and how they can support your fitness journey. Whether you're aiming for weight management or enhanced exercise performance, understanding their proper use is key. We'll cover recommended dosages and the best ways to incorporate them into your daily routine for optimal results. Let's dive into conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. This natural fatty acid is known for its role in reducing body fat and helping to maintain lean muscle. Studies suggest CLA can improve your body's composition when combined with a healthy lifestyle. For effective results, a daily intake of 3 to 6 grams is often recommended, ideally split into multiple doses and taken with your meals. Next, we have L-carnitine, an amino acid compound crucial for energy. It helps transport fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for fuel. This process can boost your energy levels, enhance endurance during workouts, and even aid in quicker muscle recovery. A common daily dosage for L-carnitine is between 500 milligrams and 3 grams, often taken before exercise. For maximum impact, consider combining CLA and L-carnitine. They work synergistically. CLA helps reduce fat storage and preserve muscle, while L-carnitine enhances fat utilization for energy. For optimal timing, take CLA with your meals and L-carnitine approximately 1 hour before your workout. Remember, consistent use, alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise, is essential to achieve your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.